Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, it's one of those tutorials where I'm starting off half into it, but that is because I was sitting down practicing and then I realized, hey, I should be filming this. So I am. I'm really pushing these Halloween makeup tutorials literally into the last minute because Halloween is in a couple days and it is October 28th while I'm filming this. So by the time this video gets up, there will be like 2 days until Halloween. And this is my 4th makeup look that I'm doing this year. I'm very proud of myself for that because last year I only got to post 2. I didn't see this look being done anywhere. I was kind of inspired by my own look that I recently did. 2 videos ago I posted this video, it'll be right here, and it's like basically the orange eye with like the spider dangling down, and I had so many of you guys recreating it and sending them to me, Snapchatting me, DMing me, and I loved all of your recreations. You guys said it was so simple and fun and easy to recreate, so I thought I would bring another simple makeup tutorial for Halloween. For the eyes though, you can kind of like make it your own. Like you don't have to do like the cut crease in the wing like I did. You could legit just do like purple eyeshadow in the crease and that's it, but I want it to be a little bit extra. You can obviously use like any Halloween color that you want, but I'm using purple because when I think of Halloween, I personally think of like orange, black, purple, and sometimes green. So to prime my eyelids, I'm going to be going with the Maybelline Master Conceal Camouflage Concealer. This concealer does such a good job of covering up all like the discoloration and the veins that I have on my eyelids. It is such a full coverage concealer, and I feel like it is not the right color for my under eyes or for concealing on my actual face. And I actually have 3 Maybelline Master Conceals, one for my eyelids that's not the right shade, and the other 2 are the same exact shade for my face. So for my eyelids I use the shade 20 Light, which is way too light for my under eyes, so that's why I use it to prime my lids. So for my actual shadow today, I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This palette is my saving grace for any colorful shadow that I need. This is like the only palette that I own that has colors because I don't really use colors a lot, but when I do, this palette has every single shade I need. So I'm first going to be taking the dark purple, and I'm also going to be using an eyelash curler to achieve like a cut crease because I suck at cut creases. I don't know why, I just cannot do cut creases like for my life. And as you can see, that creates a very clear line of where the purple eyeshadow and the concealer stops. I don't know, like I said before, you don't have to do cut creases, it's just something that I chose for this look. I feel like a reason why I can't do cut creases is because it's hard to get the shape. But once I have the shape from the eyelash curler, it's easy to just go from there. Now I'm going to be going in with the e.l.f. liquid liner, and I'm going to be creating a winged liner like I have on this side, obviously matching like the angle of the cut crease. So that is literally it for the eyes, and now for my eyelashes, I'm going to be using the same ones that I always use. These are the Visa-free eyelashes. I talk about these all the time. I got them off of AliExpress. They were super affordable. It came with like 12 of these for $6, which is so good, and I love them so much. I've been using them for like a year now. And I'm going to be using the Duo Strip Lash Adhesive. So that is it for the eyes, and I also did my face makeup off camera because I feel like I only use like 4 staple products in like my base makeup routine. For priming, I use the e.l.f. Prep and Blur priming stick, and for my foundation, I kind of like to switch up my foundation. So I went for the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and for my concealer, I also went in with the Infallible concealer, and then I set that with my Milani face powder. For my contouring, I'm going to use my Profusion Pro Contouring Kit. I want to say that this palette is a dupe to the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, but I've honestly never tried that palette, so I can't really say, but looks and packaging wise, that's kind of the vibes that I'm getting. And I'm just going to be mixing the 2 latest shades for my contour today. for my highlight, I'm using the That's Heart and e.l.f. collab. I love this highlighter. It's literally the only highlighter I use in all of my videos. So now for the finishing touch, I'm going to be adding like 3 bats right around here where I highlighted. And I've never drawn bats like ever in my life. So for my bats, I'm going to be following this picture that I found on Google, but it sends me a link to Pinterest, but it doesn't have a profile, so I don't really know who this girl is, but that's the picture I'm getting it off of. So she has a curved line right there, and then it comes up to like 2 points. Kind of like that, and then it goes out to another curve on the other side. And then it just like comes up and creates like points at the bottom. I feel like the felt tip liner that I was just using wasn't giving me like movement, since it wasn't like a brush. It wasn't able to move. It just kind of like stayed there and like was being stiff, so I switched over to the e.l.f. liquid liner that I used on my eyes. You guys can get creative with this part. I feel like that's the best my bat is gonna get. So my bat looks like an umbrella. And then for like the really small bats, I'm gonna do like just a V. So that is it for my bats. If you guys wanna recreate this, definitely tweet me photos, send me DMs, and Snapchat them to me, because I try to respond to as many as I can, and you guys are honestly so good at it. So I would love to see your recreations. All my socials are down below in the description. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I usually say we're on the road to 100K. I'm gonna say in every video until we get there, but you guys, we freaking hit it. I could not believe it. I was legit speechless. Like, it took like 2 whole days to sink in. I also went live on YouTube at the time, so I'm sorry if you missed the live, but we did hit it at like 8 o'clock. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and also comment down below what you're gonna be for Halloween, because I am curious. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much, and bye guys!